What is Claritox Pro supplement? Have you ever felt like the world around you is spinning, like you're losing balance for no reason? Maybe it started with mild dizziness, but now even simple things like standing up too quickly, walking across a room, or bending down feel risky. How Claritox Pro helps reduce dizziness and vertigo. I know how terrifying that can be because I've been there, and I also know what most people don't realize. Dizziness and vertigo aren't just minor inconveniences. They can take over your life. It's not just about feeling lightheaded. It's about the fear of falling, the constant uncertainty, and the frustration of not knowing why this is happening. Here's the truth. Balance issues aren't just part of aging. They're a sign that something deeper is going on, and that's exactly why Claritox Pro was created. Key Claritox Pro ingredients explained. Most people assume that dizziness and vertigo are just random, but the real reason behind these symptoms is something few doctors talk about: toxic inflammation affecting your inner ear and brain. Over time, exposure to toxins, stress, poor diet, and environmental pollutants causes chronic inflammation. This disrupts the delicate system responsible for balance and coordination. The result? Frequent dizziness and vertigo episodes that seem to come out of nowhere, unsteadiness, a higher risk of falls, disorientation and brain fog that make daily tasks harder. Nausea, headaches, and even anxiety because your body is in distress. Benefits of using Claritox Pro for balance and brain health. Here's the thing. Medications might temporarily relieve the symptoms, but they don't solve the underlying issue. That's where Claritox Pro comes in. This isn't just another supplement. It's a natural, science-backed formula designed to restore balance at its root cause by fighting the inflammation affecting your brain and inner ear. Unlike other solutions, Claritox Pro works in 3 essential ways. Reduces toxic inflammation so your body stops attacking its own balance system. Supports brain and inner ear function, helping you regain stability and confidence. Improve circulation and nerve communication so you feel clear-headed, steady, and in control again. Real Claritox Pro user testimonials. People who take Claritox Pro consistently experience fewer dizziness and vertigo episodes, better balance and coordination, reducing the risk of falls, sharper focus and mental clarity because balance and brain health are connected. Increased confidence in daily activities so you can enjoy life without hesitation. And the best part? The longer you take Claritox Pro, the stronger your results become. It's not a temporary fix. It's a long-term solution for regaining stability. How long does Claritox Pro take to show results? While some people feel better in the first few days, most report noticeable improvements after a few weeks of consistent use. That's why we recommend the 3 or 6 bottle package. It gives your body enough time to fully heal and rebalance. Is Claritox safe and free from side effects? Yes, Claritox Pro is made with pure, plant-based ingredients and manufactured in an FDA-registered, GMP-certified facility. It's non-GMO, stimulant-free, and has no known side effects when used as directed. How to take Claritox Pro for best results. Take 2 capsules daily with a glass of water. Stay consistent to allow your body to gradually restore its balance system. Where to buy Claritox Pro? Official site versus Amazon. To ensure authenticity and quality, only buy Claritox Pro from the official website. Beware of imitations on Amazon or other platforms. Does Claritox Pro help seniors with balance issues? Absolutely. In fact, many seniors report dramatic improvements in their balance, mental clarity, and overall confidence after using Claritox regularly. Are there any Claritox Pro side effects? Claritox Pro is formulated to be safe and well tolerated. However, as with any supplement, consult your healthcare provider before starting, especially if you're pregnant, nursing, or on medication. Final verdict: should you try Claritox Pro? Balance problems don't just go away on their own. If ignored, they often get worse, leading to more frequent dizziness, a higher risk of falls, chronic brain fog, and a loss of independence. Your body is sending you a signal. Now is the time to act before things get worse. I understand if you're skeptical. That's why Claritox Pro comes with a 60-day 90-back guarantee. You can try it completely risk-free. If you don't feel a difference, you get a full refund, no questions asked. There's nothing to lose.